Yeah, where is the Dogecoin army? We got new news, guys. SpaceX accepts Dogecoin as payment to launch DOGE-1 mission to the moon next year. Now, this news got released today, right after Dogecoin tanked from SNL. The key points is Elon Musk SpaceX will launch the DOGE-1 mission to the moon in the first quarter of 2022, with the company accepting the meme-inspired cryptocurrency as payment. Give me a like the video. Geometric Energy Corporation announced the Dogecoin funded mission on Sunday, with DOGE-1 representing a 40-kilogram cube satellite flying as a payload on a Falcon 9 rocket. SpaceX Vice President of Commercial Sales, Tom Orsinero, said in the statement that DOGE-1 would demonstrate the application of cryptocurrency beyond Earth orbit and set the foundation for interplanetary commerce. Who is still holding the Dogecoin? Who? This is what I just read right there. Now, this is good news. That means Dogecoin will have a future for sure. Now, this is what he tweeted. Oh, he tweeted this back in April 1. So, I guess he's been planning this for a while. Musk previously announced the company's plans, albeit in a tweet on April Fool's Day. SpaceX is going to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon, Musk wrote. So he's been planning this all along, guys. He's been doing this in silence. The DOGE-1 mission comes after Musk, the self-proclaimed Dogefather, made his debut as host of Saturday Night Live. The price of Dogecoin plunged during his appearance, falling below 50 cents despite his references to the cryptocurrency. For SpaceX, the announcement also comes on the day the company set a new record for its Falcon 9 series of rockets. After launching another batch of Starlink satellites into orbit, SpaceX landed the Falcon 9 rocket's booster for a 10th time. Is designed to do 10 or more flights with no refurbishment between each flight, Musk told reporters in May 2018. So is there going to be more volume? Are you going to buy more? Do you think it has a future now?